solve the given system of equations by either Gaussian elimination or Gauss-Jorden elimination. So here's the system of equations. First of all, you need to put this into a matrix. Well, basically, you just take the leading coefficient of x1, x2, x3, and the right side of the value of the right side of the equal sign, and put it into a matrix form. Okay, which looks like it. Now the next step is to make the one in diagonal line. So this is what I meant by one in diagonal line. So you make this one diagonal line of 1 and the rest entries are 0. Okay, you can make it downward diagonal line or upward diagonal line of 1, doesn't matter, but we used to make it downward diagonal line of 1. Let's do that. So first you need to make this become 1, but so some of you may divide the first row by 2 to get 1, right? And then you will get fractions. Well, if you take a general look, you will see that you have the 1. You have 1 for the first column. Well, I can move this row up to get 1 instead, divide this by 2, right? Because you can move this around, it just rearrange the equations, doesn't change anything. So if I did that, so after I move the second row on the top, move the first row down, and re-row the third row. Okay, so this is my new matrix. Now this is my pivot point. So I need to make this 0 and this 0. How? Let me do this first. So make this become 0. I multiply the first row by -2 and add it up onto the second row. -2 times 1, -2 plus 2, 0. -2 times 3, -6 plus 1, -5. -2 times 1, -2 plus 1, -1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now to make this 0, again multiply the first row by -7 and add it up onto the add it up onto the third row. -7 times 1, -7 plus 7, 0. -7 times 3, -21 plus 1, -20. -7 times 1, -7 plus 3, -4. -7 times 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. Now this is my new matrix. Okay. Now I need to make this a pivot. So we are going to divide the whole row by -5. So if I did that, I will have 1, -1 divided by -5, 1/5. 0 divided by -5, 0. Okay, and then rewrite the first and the third row. Okay. Now since this is my pivot, I need to make this and this 0. How? Let me do the first row first. So to make this become 0, multiply the second row by -3 and add it up onto the first row. -3 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. -3 times 1, -3 plus 3, 0. -3 times 1 over 5, -3 fifth plus 1 gives me 2 over 5. Okay, 0, 0. Now to make this become 0, I need to multiply the second row by 20 and add it up onto the third row. 20 times 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 20 times 1, 20 minus 20, 0. 20 times 1/5, 4 minus 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, because you have a 0 row, that means that you have an infinite solution. So your z value can be anything. So I will call z equal t, and t could be anything: positive number, negative number, fraction, anything. Okay, so then your x will be equal to -1 over 5 times t. X equals -2 over 5 times t. So your x, y will depend on z. Okay, so that's it.
If you find the video is helpful, feel free to give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel in order to receive the most current videos. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you won't miss anything. I'll see you next time.